Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to connect API to an Angular 4 front-end application. Before going to start, we need to create a new project using this command ng new project name. Then we have to run the application. Use this command ng serve or ngs. Already I created a project with the name of demo project. Here app component.ts file, this is our root component. Then app.module.ts, this is our root module. Now in this app component.ts, this will be where we are going to call the API. Make sure this is imported into the module and it's part of the providers array. Okay, let's include required import statements in module file. And then make this part of this imports array. To use this import statements, we need to install Ng Bootstrap using this command npm install --save at Ng Bootstrap. Okay, otherwise you will get the error in this line. Let's import some required libraries in the app component file. We need this HTTP and a response to call the API. Here HTTP that performs HTTP request. This response is used when HTTP request returns, it will emit a response. Okay. Then this is a map operator used to manipulate the data from JSON format. Now let's call the API URL and set it to private. Then add a constructor. Constructor is used to inject our dependencies. Here creating a local variable HTTP that is used to refer this HTTP from the Angular HTTP import statements. Now we are creating a method to call this API URL, return this http.get method. Here we are using to fetch the data from this API. The here map operator is used to manipulate the data in JSON format. Okay. After this, need to store this data and view, show it in the view. Need to assign. For this, here we are creating a local variable and creating one more method. Here we are again calling the get contact method and subscribing the data. Without subscribe, we can't receive the data from this API, and displaying the data in console window. This received data is assigned to this local variable. Okay, let's see the output in browser window. Before that, need to assign this methods here. Sorry, call this methods. Okay, let's see. See here, the n number of records is displaying here. Here, these are the details available in company email, image, info, location, name, role, like that. Okay, here we are seeing the output data in console window. Now let's see this data in browser window. For this, need to write the code in HTML page. Okay, let's see. See here, one div is created. Inside the div, we are using ng container to display the data. Again, we are using ng for. This is a directive. It will loop the data or item from the iterable ones. It will let contact here you can give any name. We are getting data from data.context. Here we are assigning the data in local variable data. The records are available in data.context. That's why we are giving like this. Then each item loop in loop we are assigning this each item here using this two flower brackets. Okay, let's see the output in browser window. Okay, see here name, location, role, company, all the details are displayed here. While connecting API to front-end application, I need to remember these 4 points. First one is make HTTP call from API. Second, receive the observable and map it JSON format. Next, subscribe to the observable. Already I told without subscribe we can't receive the data from API. And last one is assign the data to the local variable and showing the data in browser window. Thank you for watching this video. Click subscribe for more videos. Thank you.